Hey guys, welcome back to SVS Cooking, and today we're gonna be making a recipe that is close to my heart. Teriyaki chicken, guys. Very easy to make, just a couple of ingredients. Alright, the first step guys is we're gonna heat the oven, put it on high, and then we're gonna put a little bit of oil. Okay, not too much guys. Okay, and then we're gonna fry the chicken guys, pan fry, alright? You wanna make sure that the skin is on the way on the bottom. Then you're gonna be cooking this for at least 8 to 10 minutes, or when it's already brown on each side. Alright guys, now it's time for our sauce. We're gonna put the mirin, alright? Non-alcoholic. Sweet seasoning, mirin. Here's the oil. And then the soy sauce guys. You can use any soy sauce guys. Natural food. And then your ginger extract. I'm gonna start to garnish it guys. Alright. Teriyaki guys. Alright. Sprinkle some teriyaki. Alright. Your green onions. And your avocado on the side. Okay? Alright guys, so this is our finished product. Teriyaki chicken with a side drink of coconut juice. How about that?